Hello, scholars. Welcome to our blues section in the book. Woo, so excited. We start a new section. We finished the green last week. So we'll move on to the blue. Now, the blue means we're also going to change what we're focused on. We were focused on short vowels. Now we're going to switch our focus to the long vowels. And in this particular lesson, it's the silent E makes the vowels say their names. So we all know our vowels. Let's write them at the top and just review. So we have A, E, I, O, and U. And now these vowels are going to say their names because they're long. So long vowels say their names. All right, and this lesson is all about the silent E, or you might have called it Magic E last year, or the CVC rule. Do you remember talking about the VCE rule, right? Vowel, consonant, silent E. You should be familiar with that from last year. Vowel, consonant, the magic or silent E. Doesn't matter which one you call it, just so long as you know what it does. Here, they refer to silent E. All right? This vowel, silent E, is very powerful and makes this vowel say its name. Now, this rule only works when there's one consonant between the vowel and the silent E. So there's one consonant here. And of course, we know there's always rule breakers, so we'll talk about those as we work through the words. But the most important thing for today is just remember silent E makes the vowel say its name, or makes it long. All right? A-E-I-O-U, magic E, vowel, consonant, silent or magic E, and it says its name, so it's long. Sounds like a lot, but if you think about it, you already know this. I know you do. All right, beginning of a new lesson, lesson 7. Here are pattern words. The pattern words are just the list of words that we study that follow the pattern that we are studying. We learn a rule, we learn a pattern, more than memorizing words. If we only memorize words, we're only going to know 16 of them. But if we memorize the pattern or the rule, you can spell a bazillion, maybe not a bazillion, you can spell hundreds of words, thousands of words, if you remember the rules. Little bit harder for some people say than just memorizing words, but it'll stick with you longer and make you a better scholar. All right, let's take a look at what we have to do. Well, the very first thing we always have to do is to read the pattern words fast. So we're going to read through our pattern words as quickly as we can. Let me see if I can get them all on the camera for you. There you go. All right, you ready? Let's begin. Quick, flute, snake, spine, scrape, quite, shake, rude, globe, drive, prize, throne, quote, these, theme, and those. Quite always makes me stop to think, is it quit or is it quite? It's a long I, so it's quite. We did it. So we're going to check them off. Now it says to say the vowel sound in each word. So not the silent E because it doesn't make a sound. So we're going to do the middle one. A, I, A, oops, I did it wrong. A, U, see, I already did it wrong. A, U, A, U, O, E, O. Shoo, got to the bottom. Yeah, the U messed me up because I wanted to say short U because we've been working with them for so long. Oh, but I did it. Say the ending sound in each word. It's not E, because that's silent. I can even cross them off if I want. But we're going k, t, k, p, t, k, d, b, v, z, t, s, s. Excellent. The last sound is not the E because it's silent. All right, we did that. Let's look and see what happens. Silent E changes the vowel sound from short too long. This is really important, so put a star by it. That's the rule. Silent E changes the vowel sound from short to long. So instead of a, we say a, e, I, o, u. Okay, long vowels. Read these pairs out loud. This is probably important or they wouldn't put it in there. What happens when you add an E at the end of the first word? Hat, hate, quit, quite, rob, robe, tub, tube, rod, road, bit, bite, tap, tape, pet, Pete, plan, and plane. Did you notice what happens when we add an E to the end of the first word? Yeah, it changed it. This was short, this is long. Let's go ahead and mark those with our short and long symbols. All right, our brevs and our macrons. So we got a short I, long I, silent E. And you could even cross out the E. It doesn't make a sound. Short O, long O, silent E. Short U, long U, silent E. Rod, short O, long O, silent E. Short I, long I, silent E. Short, long A, silent. So what happens when you add the E? You get a long vowel. Add an E, short vowel turns into a long vowel. Pet, short E, Pete, long E. Cross out our E. Plan, short A, add the E, plane. See how powerful that vowel silent E is? It's silent, but it's super powerful. Again, it's a vowel making its mark, showing its power. How many times have we found out that the vowel is the power of the word? Changes so much. When we add TCH, when do we write CK? It's all because of the vowel. And here, because of the silent vowel, it changes the other vowel. That's pretty powerful. All right, let's see. Vowel sort. I know I'm going to sort things. Sort pattern words by the long vowel. So don't get mixed up. The long vowel, silent E sound. So we're going to look at our pattern words here. Not these. Those aren't our pattern words. These are our pattern words. See, it says right at the top, pattern words. So we're going to sort these. Are they A, silent E, silent E, I, silent E, O, silent E, U, silent E. So they all have E at the end, right? We notice that. They all have E. So I have to look at the previous vowel. So let's do a couple. First word is quake. Got my E. My vowel is A. So it's going to go right here. Long vowel. Quake. Let's see it, say it, hear it, spell it. Q. Q's a rule breaker. Q, and after a Q, there's always a U. You got it. So that U is with the Q. It has nothing to do with this A. Quay A, I hear it. K. And if this is long, I need my silent E. My magic E. Whatever you're used to calling it. All right, one's done. Let's go on to the next one. Flute. My vowel is a U. So I'm not going to look for all my A's. You could, but I'm just going to go through my list. Flute is going to go down here on the U line. So I'm going to write it all the way down here on the U line. All right? Flute. So I mark it with my finger. Now I can spell it. All right? Mark it with my finger. I'm going to put it right here. Flute. See it, say it. Hear it, write it. F-L-U, so long U, T, and I have to put that silent E, or I don't have the word flute. I have flut, like in flutter, part of it. This is flute. Move on to 3. Snake. Sn. Ache. Long A. So I'm going to go back up here and write it right here. Snake. See it, say it, hear it, write it. Feed your brain 4 ways. You ready? Begin. S-N-A-K-E. Long E. Magic E, long A. Awesome. Let's go down to 4. The word is spine. Long. All these are long vowels, remember? I keep forgetting. I have to remind myself. Spine. It's got a long I. So I'm not going to skip it. I'm going to find, here's the long I words, and I'm going to write spine right there. You ready? See it, say it, hear it, write it. S. P's a rule breaker, so the circle part's on the line, the tail's below. I-N-E. Practice, when you're doing your spelling, practice writing your letters correctly. Practice using the lines. We know what they're there for. Some of us just have to practice, just like some of us might have to practice more to ride our bike or to ice skate or to roller skate or hit a baseball. We need to practice to get better. You want to do one more? All right, I'll do one more with you. Scrape. Ooh, we got a tri-blend there. Try scrape. Got an A. So this is going to go up here on my A's. Scrape. He fell off his bike and scraped his knee. If I had an ED. Scraped. See it, say it, hear it, write it. S-C-R-A-P-E. P is a rule breaker, make it below the line. Excellent. Then you're going to go in, there's one more A word. You're going to have 2 long E words, 4 I words, 4 O words, and 2 long U words. Use your pattern words and fill them in. All right? Silent E, look at the letter before, the vowel before. All right? To help you with that. Remember when you're working with magic E or silent E that only one consonant can be between the vowel and the silent or magic E. Only one consonant, one letter, one consonant could be between those two. And if you look carefully, you see that's the case. But remember, there's always some rule breakers. We'll get to those later. All right, you know what to do here. Just do it carefully. Go one at a time and fill in the grid. Sometimes if you hunt and peck for all the A's, you miss one. Then you're like, I don't know where it is. Just go through here. I did that one, I did that one, I did that one, I did that one, I did that one. I'm on number 6. Do it, cross it off. Keep a track. All right, we're into this part of the lesson. Heart words. Words we have to know by heart because they what? They don't sound the way they look, or they don't look the way they sound. Same thing. Heart words. What are our heart words today? Let's read them. Here, there, where, or were. Let's read them one more time. Here, there, where, or were. Now it looks like these should follow the pattern. There's an E at the end, and there's an E, but these are heart words, or our rule breakers. These are grouped here, there, where, all refer to a place, so that's one way to remember them. All refer to a place. He's here, he's there, where is he? But if you notice something, look, they all have the word here, there, and where, all have the word here in them. Here they are, there they are, where are they? So if you remember that, you've got these 3 words figured out. All right, it does look like they should follow the pattern, but then that would be here, 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 here. It's hard to even say that. So it's just in the heart words. All right, heart words here, there, where, and were. All right, so we're going to look at these and answer our questions that they're asking us. Here's a question word, where. our W question words all begin with WH, right? Who, what, where, when, why. You should have learned those last year in your first grade spelling words. Well, let's take a look. Which letters are the same in each heart word? So which letters are the same in each heart word? I could say H-E-R-E, but it's not in this one. This one doesn't have the H, so don't put the H. The letters that are the same are E-R-E. That one almost tricked me because I wanted to say H-E because we had talked about it. But that wasn't true, was it? Because there's no H in were. Got to be careful. Which heart words name a place? So name a place. Here, there, and where. Huh. It's only got two heart words that name a place. Oh, because where, it's not really naming a place, it's asking where you are. All right, so the heart words that name a place are here, H-E-R-E, say it, hear it, write it, and there, T-H-E-R-E. Excellent. Which heart words, it's got more than one, begin with a digraph. So you got to remember what a digraph is. 2 letters, 1 sound. There's 2 of them, so you're going to look for those digraphs. Which heart words rhyme? Read these carefully because I wasn't. You're going to trick me. Rhyme with care and bear. So this is about sound, right? Because rhyme is about the sound. Oh, and it's more than one. So there's 2 of them. 1, 2. Which heart word, oh, this is only one, rhymes with her and fur? So we'll be listening again, because rhyming is all about the hearing. Which heart word, one of them again, rhymes with cheer and deer? So we're going through all the rhymes, so listen carefully when you fill in your heart words. Rhyming. Let's read our words one more time. Here, there, where, and were. Excellent. I know you can do this. You guys are great scholars. Double check your work. And remember, if you need help, try to do it yourself. Check it off and then go ask politely Mom and Dad if they can help you, or Grandma, Grandpa, or an older sibling. All right? All right, guys, until we meet again, go out and do great works.